Welcome to our video on how to open the valve on your XFlow leak detection system. To open a valve, scroll to valve 1 or valve 2 as required, using the menu scroll left-hand button. Press the menu options, the middle button, until it shows open. Then press save, the right-hand button, to confirm and the valve will open. Please note, if the valves have closed because of leak detection tape has got wet, you cannot open the valve until you have disconnected the wet tape. Unplug the tape at the connector, then open the valve. To close a valve, scroll to the valve you wish to close. Press Menu Options, the middle button, to show close. Then press Save, the right-hand button, to confirm, and the valve will close. Thank you for watching our video. Further support is available on our website at www.leaksafe.com.